Hello friends, I am Jain. This is our channel Jain Social. Few years back, it was believed that American banks are too big to collapse. But unfortunately, in 2008 recession, which led to the collapse of entire American banks, then the ripples of that effect also sends to many countries in the way of global recession. It is because of globalization. So any part of the world, suppose in a country anything happened, it also reflected to other countries because every country in the globalization directly or indirectly linked with the other countries in the way of their economy. So a company which is playing a monopoly role in any one country, because of globalization, they also started their branches in other countries. Then they also started to be a big company in that countries. So the small companies in other countries, they are struggled to grow because of the monopolistic role of the big companies. For instance, in 1990s, the tech giants Microsoft's Windows operating system was very popularly used among companies and many people. Microsoft also had softwares like MS Word, PowerPoint, MS Excel, because the reason why the people are mostly choose Microsoft product because they are very user friendly. But over a period, because of smartphone technology and other technologies, Microsoft didn't compete enough in the smartphone technology product. But recent time, the companies like Amazon, Google, Facebook and Apple became start to play a monopoly against small companies in their product and services. Over a period, issues also arises that these big companies are misusing or abusing their power and authority against small companies or its competitors. Recently, US Justice Department booked a case against Google for its abusive monopoly power against its competitors. What is this antitrust case all about? Did the Google really misuse its monopoly against competitors? What are its consequences and which are the way it will affect the consumer and also other competitors? All the details we are going to reveal in this video. If you didn't subscribe our channel, please subscribe our channel and also click the bell icon. Then the moment I post the video, it will reach you immediately. Recently, the US House of Representatives panel released a report which says that the tech giants Apple, Amazon, Google and Facebook misuse their monopoly against its competitors to become number one in their respective products and technologies. Based on the report, the US Justice Department booked a case against Google, which acts as a gatekeeper against small companies, and also in internet search and online advertisement, Google misuses its monopoly. Every year, Google is paying billions of dollars to Apple to use Google search engine in the basic software list of Apple phone and computer. And also the Google is having a restricted contract with the other smartphone maker for using its Android operating system. While using the Android operating system, the other companies must use Google search engine. So other smartphone maker left with no choice of choosing any other smartphone operating system apart from Android or any other search engine apart from Google search engine. And hence other software makers, for instance search engine, growth has hampered because of Google's monopoly. Then we all know well that Alphabet is a parent company of Google. Under the Alphabet Inc. only, the all other products or services of Google, for instance YouTube, Google Map, Google Search Engine, Google Class, Google Smartphone, Google Smart TV, there are numerous products and services are listed. If you look at the last year profit, that is 2019 profit of Alphabet, it is about $34 billion. Virtually all are from advertisement. The main allegations against Google by US Justice Department include US is abusing its monopoly against internet search, online advertisement, extracting consumer data, hamper the growth of its competitors, particularly small companies, self-familiarizing its products and influence the opinion of people. When we search any information in Google, all people use some set of common words that is called keywords. By using the keywords, what kind of product we are searching and what is our mood and what is our needs, these are the things will be analyzed by Google search engine algorithm. Then it will display the ads when we are using Google services in online. So the corporate companies easily get their targeted consumer. Then they no need to display their ads to everyone. only those who are interested to buy their product. For them, the corporate companies enough to display their ad continuously and try to make them to buy their products. And also, suppose we want to search any top 10 best products or any best services in Google, then Google list out some set of products or services as top 10. But here, mostly the Google's product may be listed out in the top 10 list, or their familiar company's product may be listed out. So this is how that may not be those products within the top 10 list when compare all other products. This is how it is playing influential role in people decision making and choosing their best products. Then whenever we try to install any personal apps from Google Play Store, before going to use those apps, they most often ask to access our camera, smartphone memory, then our contacts, even though those apps are not made to use for that purpose. Through that way, Google try to extract users' information. This information may be given to advertisers. The US Justice Department also says that the tech giants like Apple, Google, Facebook and Amazon, they act as a gatekeeper. So any small company, suppose they want to reach the consumer market through their products, they must need to cross bust these tech giants. Practically very difficult for the small companies to invest much on advertisement and compete with the big companies. So it hampered their growth and development. It also acts as a hurdle for the new technological development and reduces the number of variety of products coming into the market and restrict the consumer choices. As a consumer, when we see repeatedly these monopoly companies product as the best product and we left with the minimum number of choices, then it is natural to buy their product and believe ourselves that we have the best product. But is it illusion or reality? It is a big question. That is the reason whenever we want to search any information in internet, we use Google search engine, and to buy any product through online, we are always interested to buy from Amazon e-commerce. Then we are always interested to connect with our friends and family members through Facebook or WhatsApp. Then again, we are always interested to have the Apple product as our prestige, because these monopoly companies' product and services are very familiar to even common man. But Google defends US Justice Department allegation by saying that we didn't do anything illegal, and also if a company is not interested to use Google search engine, then they can use Microsoft Bing or Yahoo search engine. And also, since we give our search engine to the smartphone maker, the price of the smartphone has been reduced. But the critic says in 1990s, similar case against Microsoft, when Microsoft had a restrictive agreement with other computer makers for selling its operating system, Microsoft has given freely its Internet Explorer for other companies. It was a big setback for small companies to sell their internet browser. This act of Microsoft was considered as against to its competitors, and hence Microsoft lost in that case. The Windows monopoly then reduced. Similarly, critics are suggesting that Google not yet learned from its mistake. For instance, in Europe, recently Google got hectic of fine for using its abusive monopoly powers against its competitors. So we should not just warn the Google in this incident. We must make Google accountable to the act they have done. So they need to correct immediately its abusive monopoly in online search and online advertisements. In many companies, in order to protect the small companies from the big companies' influence, the companies has given tax exemption and incentives for the small companies' product development. Even then, the small companies' growth was not as expected. In India, Competition Act 2002 safeguards small companies from big companies and making the market level playing field for both big and small companies. The Competition Commission of India is responsible with enforcing this act. Competition Commission of India also accused of Google for abusing its power against its competitors, particularly small companies. Then Google also getting a lot of commission for listing its app in its app store. Google also misuses its power in Android smartphone market and have obstructive contract with other smartphone makers. The tech giants are often accused of misusing people's personal data. In recent judgment, the Supreme Court has upheld that right to privacy is a fundamental right under Article 21 of Indian Constitution. As we all know, WhatsApp is using end-to-end encryption. Then the moment we share any information through WhatsApp, then it will be encrypted with the help of encryption keys that the cybertext will be transferred. Before it reach the intended receiver, it will be decrypted, that is deciphered. So in between, even the company cannot read the messages. So it will be a big challenge for fighting against fake news, cybercrime, internal threat security through online. So government in a discussion of making constructive changes in these policies, but the activities are suggesting that government has no role to play in interfering in personal data of people. Data Protection Bill 2019 assuring some kind of possibilities for segregating data into personal data and common data, and also enforcing the big companies like Facebook, Amazon and Google to maintain the data of Indians in the servers located in the boundary of India. The reason for that is, if any online crime happens, then it will be easy for the government to extract the data if it is available in that server. But the technical giants are claiming that it will increase their investment on servers and it will arise as the concern of duplication of data. The recent developments raises concern that the tech giants must be accountable to the concerned government, and the users' data and privacy must be protected, and also the small companies must get equal level playing field in the internet market. Let me hope that this will happen very soon. Okay friends, what is your opinion on making internet level playing field for every companies and control the monopoly power of big companies? Give your opinion in the comment section. If you like this video, please click the like button and share to your friends and family members. Thank you for watching this video. If you didn't subscribe our channel, please subscribe our channel and also click the bell icon. Then the moment I post the video, it will immediately come to your attention. We shall meet again in our next topic. Until then, take care. Love you all. Bye bye.